Hello kids, our supplemental lesson for today is about letter Y. Did you know why? Letter Y is quite unique letter in the alphabet in that it can be both vowel and consonant. Yes, Y has several sound or what we call phonemes. Okay? As a general rule, makikita natin, typically at the beginning of the word, Y makes a consonant sound which is y. Kung ano yung napag-aralan nyo doon sa phonics in nursery and kinder. As a general rule, Y consonant sound is in the beginning of a syllable. Letter Y is more on vowel. Yes, it is more on vowel sound. Here are 4 sounds of Y. First, consonant sound is found at the beginning of a word or a syllable. It has a short I sound, long I sound, and long E sound. Okay? Y produces a distinctive consonant sound as Y at the beginning of a syllable. Okay, example. Yarn, yellow, yolk, your, yes, yesterday. Or at the beginning of a syllable. Okay. The sound of Y is a short I sound at the middle of 2 consonant, or what we call the CVC, the consonant, vowel, and consonant. Here, the letter Y considered as a vowel. Okay? Example, gym, system, symbol, mystic. Okay. And Y is long I if Y followed a consonant. Here, long I if Y followed a consonant. Usually in one syllable or in a syllable not found at the end of the word. Okay, halimbawa, single syllable, it is long I. Example, try, buy, my, why. This one has 2 syllables, but the letter Y was not found at the end of the word. Compared to this, the letter Y has a long E sound if it has 2 syllables and Y follows consonant. Okay, like Mary, Pony, Harry, Cherry, Fury. Okay? Ano ang pinagkaiba dito? This one, usually it has a single syllable and letter Y follows a consonant and it has a single syllable. In here, the letter Y was not found. It has 2 syllables, but the letter Y was not found at the end of the word. Compared to this, that the letter Y should be 2 syllables and the letter Y follows a consonant and it was found at the end of the word. Did you get it already? Okay, now as a general rule, in one syllable word, Y says I, as in fly, cry. In a 2-syllable word, Y says E, as in happy or sorry. Okay, now let us recap. If letter Y found at the beginning of a word, the sound is consonant, as in yellow. If Y found between 2 consonants, the sound is short I. Okay, if Y found at the end of the word and it has only 1 syllable, the sound is long I. Except in numerous syllable, 2 or more, if not found at the end of the word, still the sound is long I. Okay, very good. And if letter Y is found at the end of the word and it has 2 syllables and it was followed by a consonant, the sound is E. Okay, hindi na tayo malilito. Okay, I can show you some example. Let us study Y at the middle of the word. The word loyal. The word loyal. The right pronunciation is loyal. Loyal. So the letter Y has a vowel sound. Okay? The word prayer. Prayer. Prayer, it has 2 syllables, but the right pronunciation of prayer is prayer, not a prayer. Yeah? Pero, for the sake of good spelling, we must know how to slash or divide syllable. That's why syllable teaching is very important before going to spelling. Because malilito ang bata dito sa right pronunciation. The right pronunciation of praying is praying. And beyond, beyond. And layer is layer. 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 Kaya, tutukan natin, kasi nakita ko doon sa ni-record ko doon sa 6 types of syllable. Pag hindi nyo yan natutukan, talagang mali yung pagtuturo natin sa mga bata. Example, doon sa camel. Di ba sinabi ko yung camel is C-A-M/E-L. Because if we divide the camel at C-A/, it will become K-mel. Okay, which is wrong. Even the animals, the elephant. Kaya, it is important sa mga grade 1 at sa mga advanced sa kindergarten, pag-aralan nyo yung ni-record ko doon sa 6 types of syllable. Kasi, mamali tayo sa ating reading. Okay? Ito, not intended for nursery. Kasi yung mga nursery, nasa phonics pa rin sila. Okay? Intended for kinder only and grade 1. Okay, bye-bye.